Welcome back to another Music Theory Minutes video. I say welcome back because you really want to have seen these two videos, and this video wouldn't hurt, and that one would be really helpful too. If you are a ukulele player, make sure to stay to the end. I have some really wonderful exercises to use major and minor thirds to level up your playing. Major and minor intervals are super important because they help create chords. First, you need to know that a minor third is a smaller interval than a major third. The difference is 1/2 step or semitone in the Queen's English. How big is a minor third? Well, let's do some music interval math. A minor third is equal to 3/2 steps or semitones. You could also say that it's equal to 1 whole step or tone plus another half step or semitone. When looking at the musical alphabet, minor thirds will sometimes skip a note in the musical alphabet. E goes to G and A goes to C. See how they skip and see why they might call them thirds? But a minor third could also be F to G sharp or C to D sharp. Get your ukulele. Let's play some minor thirds together. Using your open strings, here's where the minor thirds are. Notice that they're all on the 3rd fret of each string. So when you play your G string, the 3rd fret is A sharp or B flat. So G to the 3rd fret is a minor third. On your C string, the 3rd fret is D sharp or E flat, and that's a minor third. E to the 3rd fret is G, and that's a minor third. Yeah, and A to C is another minor third. Let's take the 5th fret on each string and play the minor third below, but we're going to get there chromatically, showing you that there's 3 frets in between. So here we go. Here's our 5th fret on the G, which is a C, and then we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, C to A. That's a descending minor third. The 5th fret of the C string is an F, and going down 1, 2, 3, a minor third below, which is a D. Let's take the 5th fret on our E string. That is an A, and we're going down 1, 2, 3 to an F sharp. And the 5th fret on the A string is a D, and going down to the 2nd fret, which is a B. So what about those major thirds? Well, let's do some more interval math. A major third is equal to 4/2 steps or semitones. A major third is also equal to 2 tones or 2 whole steps. A major third will always skip at least a note in the musical alphabet. For example, D to F sharp or A to C sharp. See those skips? But sometimes they'll even skip 2 notes because D to F sharp, it's a major third, but so is D to G flat. Remember those enharmonics? It's the same note, F sharp and G flat, same note. So sometimes in the music alphabet they can skip more than 1 note. Still got your U candy? Let's go. Let's do those open strings in major thirds. From our open strings, the 4th fret gets us to a major third, starting on the G string. Do, mi, C string. Do, mi. Starting on the E string. Do, mi. And the A string. Do, mi. And going from our 5th fret, let's play some descending major thirds. This time we will play the 5th, the 3rd, and the 1st fret, so we'll get a mi, re, do on each string. So you'll hear the re as we pass from mi down to do. On the G string, mi, re, do. On the C string, mi, re, do. On the E string, mi, re, do. And on the A string, mi, re, do. Are you ready to level up your playing? Let's play our scales and play them up and down in thirds. Here's a pattern for a C scale using thirds. Here's another look at it, and I will go ahead and play it for you. C, E, D, F, E, G, F, A, G, B, A, C, B, D, C. And then we turn around and come down. C, A, B, G, A, F, G, E, F, D, E, C. And patrons, you're going to get all these handouts. Let's play it going up together. 1, 2, nice and slow. C, E, D, F, E, G, F, A, G, B, A, C, B, D, C. Now let's play it going down. C, A, B, G, A, F, G, E, F, D, E, C. If you aren't using the open C string, there's a pattern for playing scales and thirds, and you can use any fret on the C string. Here's what the pattern would look like if we started on the 2nd fret of the C string. This is a D scale. I'm going to play it by the numbers, hoping that you can follow along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This will help you play melodies, riffs, and chord melodies on your ukulele. So make a game of it and practice your major and minor thirds in scale form. That's it for today. You can end your music training here or go to one of these videos. Are you ready to test your knowledge? I've got a quick quiz down below. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell too. It helps support this channel. And if you're a ukulele player and want rewards and to support my charity efforts, join me on Patreon. If not, you can buy me a cup of coffee or share a super thanks, or you can start practicing your major and minor thirds and put it with your ukulele riffs. Impress your friends. By the way, I'm a real person, and because I have dogs, my entryway usually looks like this.